Diving in the moana, like especially at home, you feel one with the water. You feel it, soothe your soul. And the feeling is weightless. You just feel free, like you feel so free and happy, and it's been like my happy place.
Many search for peace and happiness where they can. For Benedicta, or Benny Meredith, she's found hers in free diving.
In a technical sense, you would say it's holding your breath under the water, and either swimming or doing a static breath hold, but free diving is more than that. Like for me, it is a freedom.
Growing up in Te Tairāwhiti, Gisborne, she's always been in or around water. But it wasn't until 2020, when she took up diving lessons, that she was hooked.
I just wanted to do everything. I just went guns blazing, and they started calling me Benny the Bonito, because I just wanted to do everything straight away. Like, okay, cool, I want to start spearfishing. And it wasn't a while actually that I started to try spearfishing. It was like maybe another year after that.
Of Samoan and Māori heritage, Benny continued to grow in the sport, and this year made a splash at the Freedom Depth Games in Cyprus, setting a New Zealand women's record for reaching 47 metres below with fins.
I was so proud. I was tired, but I was also so proud. It had been a lot of months in the work.
It's hard work that also comes with risks.
It can be dangerous, yes. However, this is where you do the trainings. And this is what I'm so big on. Like when I'm teaching freediving, or when I'm talking to people that are new to spearfishing or just spearfish and have never had the freediving principles applied to their spearing, it's really important to be safe.
And for her safety, it's her late mother, Trudy, that keeps her balanced.
I see her in the water now. That's my place to go now to find her, and I've used the water in many other ways to heal and stabilize emotions and mental clarity, and as therapy in many ways, and to have it change from that for myself and now to make it a place of connection with my mum. It's like really special, sad, but special as well.
Now she's using her knowledge and experience to equip others to test the waters.
We are in the Kiwa Pools in Tairāwhiti, and we're going to do some static breath holds with my niece. So a little bit of free diving, pool free diving, it's a good way to start and get into free diving, is starting in the pool.
I've seen all the work that she's been doing with her diving and her teaching, and now I'm excited that I'm finally the student.
It's a ripple effect that Benny hopes will encourage more wahine to enjoy all that the moana provides.
There's heaps of different groups now that are coming through that are really promoting and empowering our wahine to connect the moana as well. We are of this land, we are of this whenua, we are of the water, So it's really important to bring back that connection, bring back that being able to supply for your whānau and for yourself, and give you that confidence that, I can go out there, but I can do it safely.